Okay, so this is July 1st. We are getting flooded again. There's Phil. And as you can see, it's coming across the road. There is nothing in the drain this time. So it's just that the drain cannot hold the capacity of water that's flowing down the hill. We are at the bottom of the hill, and so therefore we get everybody's rain runoff. As you can hear, it's still thundering and raining. This is our drainage ditch. If you can see down the end, I'm going to zoom in. You can see that it's hitting the electrical pole and just rushing off the sides. Yeah, Phil just asked me if I wanted to walk down to the lake. That's funny.